Hello dear colleagues, students and parents. Today I want to share 5 interesting facts about English with you. First fact is, did you know that there are more English speakers in China than in US? Our second fact will be about the longest English word, Pneuma ultramicroscopic silica volcaniconiosis. It has 45 letters and it means chronic lung disease. Our third fact is that new word added to the English dictionary every 2 hours. It means that over than 4,000 words added to the English dictionary every single year. And the fourth fact is that Shakespeare had added more than 1,000 words to the English vocabulary. And the last but not the least interesting fact about English, that is the most used word in English is word I. Sounds selfish, isn't it?